Yes, I will not forget to tell you that if you are interested on this platform, check the description of this video to register. So guys, I remain Banky, and this update I have for you is also another investment platform which I think you might also like to invest in. So let me explain it to you. This is their product right now. This is their product right now. You can see under this product here. So this is it, product, and this is everything that is there on the product. So you can see the minimum you can actually invest on this platform is just 2k, and this 2k can give you, it will be giving you 300 naira every day by day for 300 days. 300 naira every day by day for 300 days. Let's see something. And for instance, that one will earn you 180k thousand naira, 180,000 naira. So you can see it, 180,000 naira. Your 2k can earn you 180,000 naira. Your 2k. For this second one, which is X Energy B, if you invest 5,000 naira, you will earn 1,150 every day by day. 1,150, 1,550 every day by day. 1,550 for 300 days. Let's see what will be what you will earn. You can earn a total of 465,000 naira with your 5,000 naira. So you can see that right now. You can see that right now. So guys, this is how the platform work. This is how everything work on it. If you invest 20,000 naira, which will be giving you 6,600 naira. If you check the learn more, you will see that your 20,000 naira can earn you a total income of 1.980 million. So 1.980 million naira. So that is how this platform work. That is everything on it. To, in case you are interested to recharge, this is how you are going to recharge on this platform. This is how to recharge on this platform. So on the products you want to do, you just have to go there, click on the products you want to do. For instance, let's say I want to deposit 20k now. I click on learn more, and this is it. You select any of these payment channel here, either the first or the second one, then click on buy now. So it will direct you to a page where you are going to see the account number you have to send the money to. You can see after the payment is successful, you must come back here and click on I have made the bank transfer. So this is the bank account name, this is the bank name, this is bank account number, and the amount you have to pay. This is the code you have to use to make the payment. Then click on I have made the bank transfer. That is all. When you do that and it's right completed, when it shows completed, that means your money will appear in your account, and automatically your investment will trigger and start immediately. Now to withdraw, go to me to withdraw. This is how you are going to withdraw on this platform. So click on withdraw up here. The minimum you can withdraw is 1k. You can say I have 2,650 here. So just input your amount here, the minimum, and the maximum is 500,000 naira. So after that, click on receive. So immediately you click on receive, your payment is going to, there is no charges, there is no transaction fee on this one. So you are going to receive the actual amount you withdraw. So guys, this is it. This is what I have for you. This is everything you need to know about this platform right now. You can see some people are withdrawing up here. You can see congratulations to user blah blah blah, withdraw 6,600. So that is that is it. That is everything you need to know right now. So guys, if you're interested, don't forget to check the description of this video. We see the link to register there. So guys, goodbye for now. Goodbye.